Welcome to That'sCoolWire.com. We are so excited to show you this video. We are now getting into the EL wire mount business, which means not only do we have the mounts, we're actually making them here. We've invested in some 3D printers so we can design really any style mount. So if you have a mount that you need, feel free to give us a call, toll free 866-435-9473. And we can discuss your design and your needs. But for this video, we're going to talk about the long stick mount. We're just going to call these the long stick mounts. They come in 5-packs. What you can do is you can either use a full length of the mount and insert the EL wire, and then you can actually place it on any surface. On the fabric, we just happen to have fabric here, but you can go ahead and place it on a hard surface. What's also built into this mount, if we turn it around, you'll see little holes. So you can actually sew it on. That's why we have the fabric here, to kind of show you that you can actually sew these mounts onto a piece of fabric. They do bend a little bit. They're not like where you can do a complete circle with them, but you can get slight circles with these, which also can help with your design. So if we could take a little bit of a closer look at these mounts, what you can end up doing is cutting these for your specific design. So for example, if you don't need the full stick and you're saying, okay, I need a section that is about this long, you cut it and now you have it. If you need a section that is really, really small, because you're going to be in a tight spot, you can cut it and now you have a little bit of a mount there. If you need the rest of that for the next piece, that's great. So what we've kind of done is just kind of show you how you can put different sizes onto a piece of EL wire. So if we flip it over, you still see the face of the wire. So when it glows, the mount will not even be shown or hide any of the light, which is part of the design. When it comes down to the sewing part, there are holes built into these mounts. So if we really take a close look, again, we saw the back side that has the holes. We do have a needle here, and to save some time, we're not going to actually sew it, but you would go from underneath the fabric in between, come up, go through the mount, go back down through the hole, and then tie a knot on the bottom, on the back side. What we really recommend, though, even if you're going to sew these on and you're going to go on fabric, is we recommend you take some glue and you're going to put a few dots in place. This way it holds it, so this way you can pick up the fabric when you're sewing it, so you can kind of get your hand in between the mount and find the hole and pull and put the needle through. So that's just one little tip to make sure that you do use some glue even if you're sewing it. Or you just can go fully glue on this full length, put it down, and our glue is so strong that it's really, really going to hold on to your fabric. These can be used on hard surfaces as well as fabric. So we went over the sticks. Again, you get 5 in a pack. Again, on an average, you can get between 8 and 10 pieces when you cut them. So you get quite a bit from these 5 sticks. So again, individual, full length. The other thing that we're doing is we are now designing, which was really different. So That's Cool Wire has really started to grow from just selling EL wire. We now have design software. We have designers that can come in and really design any kind of parts. So if you have certain angles or certain lengths, larger parts, we just kind of did a quick little puzzle to show that pieces fit together, smaller parts, even parts with threads, different colors. We have about 4 or 5 different colors, but we can pretty much make any color part that you want. It would be a custom order to get that blend made up. But we're really excited, but we do have some of our round mounts being printed right now. So we have the long stick, which you just saw, but we also have the round sew-on and the glue mounts. So we're going to show you that right now. It's really amazing when you can take control of what you're making. So if you need something and it needs to be tweaked a little bit, you're not stuck with exactly what we have. We can go ahead and tweak it and make those for you. So thanks for watching this video. Thanks for being at That'sCoolWire.com. And if you have any questions, you can always call us toll free, 866-435-9473. That's 866-435-9473.